Very good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to discuss this second Roman, third question, fourth question, and fifth question of page number 21. Okay, I am there at page number 21 of your textbook. So get ready with your textbook. This is also the concept which is pointing to forming numbers, as I am going to discuss each and every point carefully. So please follow me so that you can write everything in the textbook carefully. Okay, please follow me. So if you observe the second question, it is like this: write the smallest and greatest 5-digit numbers using each of the following digits, repeating 4 twice. This point is very important. Repeating 4 twice. Twice means 2 times. So what they are saying is, to form a 5-digit number, you can use 4 of the given digits. See, here also we have 4, here also we have 4, here also we have 4. So in all the digits we have 4. So the condition is that we have to form 5-digit numbers. 5-digit means how many will have 5 places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they are asking for both smallest and greatest 5-digit number. So I am taking 5 places: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in 5 digits, how many digits we should fit? 5. But count here: 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only we have. So as one place is going to be empty, they told us you can use 4 twice. Twice means 2 times. Okay. Now look, smallest digit. Smallest digit means how will you write? As I told in the previous class, we have to write the given digits in ascending order. So in 1, 4, 2, 5, which is the smallest? First one is 1. We are done with 1. 4, 2, 5. Next smallest is 2. 4, 5. Of 4 and 5, which is smallest? 4. But in the given question they told we can use 4 how many times? 2 times. Here already I used it 1 time. So second time also finished. And lastly what we have? 5. Okay. This is the way how we will repeat the digits according to the question given. Now just look at the next question. Greatest. How we can write the greatest? As I told, if there is no 0 in the given digits, simply write the given digits in the form digit which is smallest in reverse. That is from big to small. So 5, 4, 4, 2, 1. Okay, 5, 4, 4, 2, 1 is the answer. Okay, now B. Here if you observe, 4 only should be repeated twice, but we have 0. Let us see. So we have to form a 5-digit number. So I am taking 5 places like this. But how many digits we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. But we have an option that we can use 4 2 times. Now look. So let us start writing. As I told, when we have 0, it should always be placed in the second position. Okay, this is almost compulsory for all the digits with 0. Okay, 0. Now we are done with 0. 3, 4, 8. In 3, 4, 8, what is the smallest digit? 3. So 3. Second place is already filled by 0. Next, 4 and 8. In 4 and 8, which is the smallest? 4. 4. And we have a chance that we can use 4 how many times? 2 times. 4, 4 and lastly 8. Okay. Greatest 5-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First in 3408, which is the first biggest? 8. Next 340, which is the second biggest? 4. But we have a chance to use 4 how many times? 2 times. So 4, 4 and 3 and lastly 0. Okay. Now I hope you got this. So I am giving this one as homework. Okay. C is going to be homework and even 3 is going to be homework. Okay. Because look, form the smallest 6-digit number using the digits 1, 3, 0, 5, 7, 6 each only once. Okay, this is just like the first Roman in the same page. So you can do it very easily. So second Roman C and third one I am giving you as homework. Now I am going to do fourth one. Please look carefully. Okay, form the greatest 6-digit number using the digits 7, 8, 9, 3 and 5 repeating 8 twice. In the previous question they are told to use 4 twice, but here they are saying we can use 8 twice means how many times I told? 2 times. Okay, now look, greatest 6-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, greatest 6-digit number, hence I took 6 digits, 6 places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now look carefully. How many digits were given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, out of 5 we have to use a 6 digit, we have to make a 6-digit number where we can use 8 2 times. Now let us start. 7, 8, 9, 3 and 5, of which is the first biggest? 9. Okay, 7, 8, 3, 5. Second biggest is 8. As we have a chance to repeat 8 2 times, we can get another 8. So we are done with 8 and 9. Next, 7, 3, 5. Clearly, 7 is the next biggest. 3 and 5. 5 is the next biggest. And lastly, 3. Okay, as they asked us to write only greatest, no need of writing smallest. Writing greatest number using the given digits is enough. Okay, let us move to next question. Okay, now the fifth one. Look, form the smallest 5-digit number. So how many places we have to take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Using the digits 1, 3, 5 and 0 repeating 1 twice. So 1 should be taken how many times? We can take 1 for 2 times. Okay. That means we have a chance of repeating 1 2 times. But please be careful, here we have 0 and they are asking smallest. Then automatically, as I told earlier, 0 will occupy the second place. Here also if you observe, look, when we are writing smallest, what happened? 0 should occupy second place. Accordingly, 0 should occupy second place. Now look. So smallest in 1, 3, 5, because as we are done with 0, 1, 3, 5, what is the smallest? But 1. And they told us we can repeat 1 2 times. As we already have 1 here and 0 is already occupy second place, another one we can use here. I hope you understood why I use 1 again, because they told we can use 1 2 times. Now 3, 5. What are the leftover numbers? 3 and 5. In 3 and 5, which is the smallest? 3. After 3, 5. Okay. I hope you are clear. So for today, you will write this one and this one as homework. No need to write in homework book. You write the answers here in the place provided. Okay. In the given space, you write the answers. Okay. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will, that means in the next class, we will start another concept. Have a great weekend. Take care.